All right, so let's look at this one. All right, so here's our expression. In our numerator, we have b squared minus a. And then in our denominator, we have b plus 11a. So I'm going to do the substitution. I'm going to put parentheses for my b. And that exponent outside of the parentheses. So in parentheses, I'm putting -3. All right, now we have minus a. So in parentheses, I'm putting 10. Now, in this case, you don't necessarily need the parentheses because we just substituted a positive 10. So if you want to leave that off, you can. All right, now we have b. So we're putting in -3. Plus 11. Since it's multiplication, put parentheses because the parentheses signifies 11 is multiplied to what's in parentheses. 10. All right, so notice I put everything in red that was being substituted in. All right, so now order of operations. So groups, in this case, the numerator is a group. The denominator is a group. So in the numerator, I want to evaluate my exponent first, then do my subtraction. So squaring -3, that's -3 times -3. That gives you 9 minus 10. All right, another way to look at 9 minus 10 is 9 plus -10. All right, so 9 plus -10. 9 is money in the bank. -10 is a bill that you have. So you have -1. You want to subtract 10 minus 9, and you keep the sign of -10 because it has a greater impact. All right, that's our numerator. Now in our denominator, we have to multiply first. So multiply the 11 times the 10. So that gives us 110. Then you want to do -3 plus 110. So you subtract 110 minus 3, which is 107. Okay, there's 3 ways we can write this answer as a fraction. All right, so the first one is a negative divided by a positive, which means we have a negative number. The second answer here is basically just showing you have a negative fraction, negative and then 1 over 107. The third fraction says a positive number divided by negative. +1 divided by -107. So a positive divided by a negative is a negative.